What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well so far. I know mine is. I've been having a great time so far at this bachelor party, but it's even better because the markets have been just absolutely ripping. An exciting day, major surprises that I wasn't expecting. I'm sure you guys weren't as well. And the question is now, did we get exactly what we needed for the market to take this next leg? We're going to talk about that and more in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So obviously today was a very big day and the markets are loving it. Today's big event was the Jackson Hole event. And it was always a question of what was Jerome Powell going to say today? What kind of information was he going to give us? And would the market like this or would it hate it? And like I had said in some other videos, anything really bearish coming from this event was likely already priced in. And today showed exactly that, because what we saw was major whiplash, major moves to the upside across the crypto market, basically erasing these last several days of losses that we have seen and potentially even working our way to higher highs. What I want to mention here is Jerome Powell actually gave clarity for once. He tends to play things pretty close to the vest, doesn't really seem to hint at anything, but what he said were a few important points here. First of all, the conditions that we're seeing in the market or from inflation may be conducive for us to actually see rate cuts. The data that we're receiving on these macro reports may allow us to take that pivot there that we've been waiting for all of 2025. What he also said was that this inflation that we're seeing from tariffs seems to be short term. That's a pretty big deal, okay? And what they also said as well here is now they're likely going to be shifting away from this percentage inflation-based gauge for rate decreases and start looking at things more like unemployment and jobs claims. And that data is the exact data that we've been talking about that has been conducive for rate cuts. So yes, this was major bout of clarity for the market, something that we desperately needed, and the markets just exploded on that. We saw a lot of capital re-entering the market that was sitting on the sidelines. We saw a lot of short leverage liquidations take place like we were talking about. Shorts were getting overconfident. This was all a big bear trap, and it just ended up working out perfectly. And now the question is, did we get exactly what we need to make this next step in the crypto market? If you guys remember, the big thing that slowed down this rally that we were on was the PPI report. As soon as that PPI report dropped, that was the exact thing that took a lot of steam out of what we're seeing. Now things have kind of opened up yet again. Now understand that there will be profit taking on these pumps, okay? We will see pullbacks, and it's a question of how confident are shorts and bears now that we have gotten this major news for the market, because this is exactly what we needed to see. And this now just gave us a lot of clarity for pretty much all of September. You guys have to remember, we're getting into the back part of August now. August has been a green month overall, which has been a great sign. But this could in fact be something that provides a little wave of confidence for the market that continues to give us some more green as we get into the end of Q3, which would be a very exciting sign. So I'm sure there is more information that will come out as time progresses. We obviously have to pay attention to the jobs report, which is that next week? It's either next week or the week after. Don't have the dates in front of me, guys. I've obviously been busy as the weekend has progressed, but I definitely wanted to share this exciting news with you guys. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. The negative things, like I've talked about, that have impacted the market throughout most of 2025, they have been lessening and lessening and lessening. And what this just showed you is that even the negative stuff we're getting, it doesn't even matter. All right, we are headed towards some pretty exciting times, and I hope nobody has been stuck playing games, because if you were, this morning was pretty brutal for you. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.